Are you a UK seller aiming to reach EU customers? Or an EU seller wanting to reach millions of new customers in the UK? In this module, we'll explain how local inbounding into the UK and EU can help you achieve this. Then, we'll dive into the program details, such as VAT registration, enrolling your products in the program, and customs clearance. Local inbounding into the UK and EU refers to physically shipping and storing your inventory into both the UK and EU fulfillment by Amazon FBA networks. This allows you to benefit from local fulfillment fees in both regions and results in faster delivery promises for customers across all active stores. For example, let's say you're a UK seller offering toys. With local inbounding, you can have some inventory in the UK and some in the EU. So, if a customer in Germany places an order, their order is quickly shipped from a nearby EU fulfillment center, rather than from a UK fulfillment center. To get started with local inbounding, you'll need to go through 4 key steps. Step 1. VAT compliance. If you sell or store goods in any European country, you may be required to register for VAT in each country you sell in. For support in becoming VAT compliant, search for Manage Your VAT in Seller Central to access the Manage Your European VAT Needs page. Step 2. Product compliance. When listing products in a new store, it's crucial to comply with all applicable laws, regulations, and Amazon policies. This includes providing required product safety and other compliance documentation. To understand what compliance legislation you need to comply with for each store and how to provide Amazon the necessary information, go to the Manage Your Compliance page, which you can find on Seller Central. Step 3. Identify selection to onboard. List your eligible FBA products in all required Amazon European stores with the same SKU or stock keeping unit, using the Build International Listings tool. This will help you to synchronize your offers and prices, and create and translate offers from a single source store to one or more target stores. Alternatively, use the European Expansion Accelerator, or EEA, an automated expansion solution which allows sellers to expand into one or multiple European stores by automatically creating product listings, setting pricing and shipping settings, and enrolling your products into fulfillment programs in the stores you choose to expand to. To access both these tools, click on Inventory in the Seller Central navigation bar, and then on Sell Globally. Step 4. Set up transportation and brokerage. To get inventory across the UK-EU border into an FBA fulfillment center, you'll need transportation and customs brokerage services. Customs clearance and shipping services on Amazon offers sellers a low-cost and simple approach to ship between the UK and the EU in small parcels or pallets. Based on the services you choose, our trusted partners provide experienced support in VAT registration and filing, meeting environmental compliance requirements, customs clearance, including export and import declarations, and supporting your customs duty payments as an indirect representative. For more information, you can watch our Seller University video, Customs Clearance and Shipping Services on Amazon, or C2S2. If you're shipping from China and/or the US with Amazon Global Logistics, or AGL, you can ship ocean cargo from China directly to the Amazon Fulfillment Network in the UK and EU. AGL door-to-door services include pickup at origin, export declaration, ocean freight transportation, destination customs clearance, and delivery directly into fulfillment centers. You can also use the Send to Amazon portal in Seller Central to send small parcel shipment via air freight from the US to the UK, China to Germany, and China to the UK to streamline your logistics. This wraps up our video, expanding across the UK-EU border, local inbounding into the UK and EU. For more detailed information on how to get started, visit our Seller Central page, selling across the UK-EU customs border. Thanks for watching and happy selling on the Amazon store.